always eating.
Oh yeah.
Which one? Death by chocolate.
Ooh, he's shaking. Here we are, in Monterey. As you can see, we are a magnet for street and farmers markets. We just love them, right honey?
Yay for farmers market.
Thought so. We always find something at these and we prefer them to chain stores. And on top of that, we support local vendors. Let's see what other awesomeness we will find in Monterey. So we're back in Monterey, finally get some food into us, and
We're always eating.
oh yeah, and now try to see, walk around and see what we. It's a really cute little. Is it little?
It's not that little.
Not that little actually. I like it. Of course we find the bakery. The German in us finds bakeries.
More food. And coffee.
Cool building. It kind of stands out with all that front structure. Quite excessive, but cool. Wait honey, I make some room so you can walk. Somewhat mesmerizing.
I don't wanna wait for you. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait for you. I don't wanna. I don't wanna wait. Make
He's just
Like hanging on those rocks, like
just hanging around.
doing this.
I do speak the language though.
Yes, you do.
Oh? Or he said something rude. Like, I don't know what. Let's go. We just left Fisherman's Wharf in Monterey and on our way to Cannery Road.
We're in Canada.
We are in Cannery already. She's running away from me. No.
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 I wouldn't.
She would be much faster then.
I'm not a very fast runner.
No, that's true.
At all.
That's true. I love these little cars, like these parking
the
enforcement
parking
cars.
authority, yeah.
Yeah, that should be.
They're like toy cars.
Yeah, it's really fun to ride. If you watch this and you ride one of those cars, you drive one of those cars, tell me if it's fun. Like, I wouldn't mind having one. Not that we have space for it.
Did you tow it behind the trailer?
Yeah, it's like a our move around vehicle for one person only, because there are not 2 seats in there.
I even just gonna hold on to the roof.
Do you want a donut, she asks.
Which one? Death by chocolate.
This is like sugar paradise.
We should probably get 2. Like 1 each. And then we can
Yeah.
bite. Yeah.
One would be just rude. Ew, donuts.
Look, they're so pretty.
We have to eat them right away so that they're gone.
You can't stand to look at them.
No, horrible. Hello everybody.
Hello.
We are actually in Camel-by-the-sea, which is very close to our camp spot.
It's like 10 minutes.
Yeah, and we already saw a farmer's market. And everybody knows we really don't like farmer's markets. No, so that's where we go first now. And of course we need to get some food too, because as usual we're hungry.
As usual.
Yeah. So
Is there anything else we do other than eat lately?
lately,
Well, because we haven't cooked, so I haven't cooked, so we have to go out to eat.
that sounds bad in regards to what does Anri do then? What does
Oh
he
no,
cook?
you made pasta the other night.
I made pasta and left some stains that I didn't clean up right. Okay. That's nice already. Okay, let's check it out.
Yep.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story.
It's a whimsical. Yeah.
Like a little fairy tale in that piece.
Yeah.
And wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked.
Since we're all filled with food now, we can explore more. It is a different world, we can say so much already. It's more for a different clientele in general to live here anyway. Look, Annie, that's us when we're old. Yeah,
They look like 80s.
yeah, probably 80s. Yeah, somebody just walked by and says they're a little bit stiff. I agree, but oh well, they're okay.
40 more years.
40 more years, woohoo! Oh, 40 more years she has to endure with me. Good luck.
Let's go. Took some time for me to realize I don't need this disguise.
Julia and I wanted to check out the Carmel Basilica here, and unfortunately they're closed already to visitors. Oh well, maybe next time. Looks cool though.
Everybody, my mind is set free and I'll be
While we're in Carmel, we might as well check out the beach.
It's supposed to be pretty.
Let's see.
We
We'll be the judge of it, yeah.
Oh, they have good beaches here.
Yeah, but
You took me by the hand and showed me the world. Everywhere I was hurled, like flowers we grew.
just had really good pizza in where are we again?
Carmel-by-the-sea.
Right. We even have some leftover. That's probably the best pizza we ever had. And tiramisu.
Ever?
Well, as far as I can remember.
Okay. No, it was really good.
Yeah, it was really good. Yeah, that will be
Lunch
for tomorrow. And we go home now.
Yeah.
The girls are probably
Hungry
already. Hello everyone, we are on our way to Morro
Bay. Down from Monterey. It's about 3 hours.
Yep.
Down on the one Big Sur. All that.
Yeah, and we have completed quite a stretch of the Highway 1. And holy moly. Oh, he's shaking.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Okay, back to the point. We have some leftover food. Our pizza from yesterday. And we are here at that elephant seal vista point. And they have all kind a whole, I don't know how many elephant seals, I'll show you later as well. Just lying in the sun, and it's fun to watch.
Guess we know who won.
Some fighting going on there. Well, that was cool.
They're so cute.
Cute and
Stinky.
yeah, this was kind of like 4-dimensional YouTube. I'm pretty sure the smell would not be that cool, but
It's quite pungent.
yeah, it's very, very interesting to watch them and how they behave and just fly around there. Very cool.
A few fights here and there.
Yeah, they behave like some family members sometimes. Hey, do you know? Nela, a few more kilometers / miles, and then we're there. Good morning everybody. We are going to Morro Bay first today and then to San Luis Obispo. Great things about those two locations. We will take you guys with us and we will see what it is all about. Before that I will have to torque some nuts on our wheels because we had our brake pads changed, the truck nuts need to be checked. We'll do that first before we get back on the road and go from there. Wow, I just noticed something really shitty. We are missing a nut, and the nuts are not in a bad state torque wise. I have the feeling they might have missed that one when they put back the tires after they changed the brake pads. That is not good. I will check the other tires too. Ooh. Not good, not good, not good. No lug nut missing on the front right one. The other side seems okay, so let's check the torque. The front left was pretty much okay, maybe one nut was a little bit under torqued, not too bad. Never forget your nut lock. I keep forgetting where we put it. But Julia is the organized one, so she always knows where those things are. This one's pretty much okay. Yeah, not happy to see that one nut missing there. And you can tell me whatever you want. For the amount of driving in between, we since we got the brake pads, you don't lose a whole nut like that. Especially when every other nut is pretty much okay. That one was either forgotten or they just put in by hand and then never checked it. So what would you say if I tell you that there's one rim nut missing? And the back right tire, there's one nut missing, completely missing.
So did they forget to put it on, or did it come off?
Well, to give them the benefit of the doubt, I hope they put it in, forgot to torque it, and it came off. And
Can we drive like that?
the nut lock produces 4 spare ones because you put the
I remember
yeah.
them flying around in the block component
flying around,
for like the first 5 months.
being organized in the truck.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I will use one of those. So we'll be okay. It's just not good to see. I checked all the other ones; they're good. So
So they must have just forgotten to torque that one. Let's go with that.
let's give them the benefit of the doubt.
Shit happens.
Yeah, as long as the tire doesn't fall off, because then shit really happens. By the way, this is our location here right now. We're right in the middle of Morro Bay and San Luis Obispo, in this national park. I hope I said that right. I think so. Really sunny. That it's a minnow. Minnow. State park, national park, regional park. I can't keep those things apart. That's impossible. Okay, in the regional park, right between Morro Bay and
Regional park means cheaper. Maybe you can remember that.
regional park means cheaper. Then I really like regional parks.
And then state parks, and then national parks are the most expensive.
Okay, so I do not like national parks. I really like regional parks because I'm cheap. I guess that is the best way to remember it. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe and join us next time when we explore more of California, starting with Morro Bay. See you then.